Now tell me about your ride. Nice car. Wait, don't like stock headlights? No problem, I change for you. How about these A-style LED projectors? Try them on. There, your ride will never look the same with these on it. So who am I? Well, I'm not just one person. I'm a corporation that thrives for the best service in the auto parts industry. But if you need a name to Google me, you can type this.
You're now viewing a 2003 to 2006 Cadillac CTS front grille installation video. We will start by popping up the hood of your vehicle. In this video clip, we will remove the rubber guard. Usually there are 6 or 7 plastic clips that we will normally remove. Let's take our Phillips head screwdriver and remove 9 Phillips head screws total, that is attaching the grille to the front bumper. You can now remove your stock factory front grille and replace it with your new aftermarket honeycomb mesh front grille. As you follow our camera view, go ahead and tighten back the 9 Phillips head screws that is attaching the front bumper to the front grille. Go ahead and put back your 6 plastic clips at the top of your front grille and put back your rubber guard. Close down the hood and you're ready to show off your new aftermarket front grille for your Cadillac CTS. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.